Alright everybody, welcome back. This video is going to be, we're not going to add anything new, we're just going to correct all the things that I have wrong in this. First and foremost, if you remember my last video, I had this little line right here. When I measured it, I noticed it was 0.1 inches, which is a default measurement. And the line for the sketch is located properly, so what I had to do here, when I did the extrusion, I'm going to edit the extrusion here. When I went to the thin feature, I accidentally picked two direction. So in the other direction, it's going 0.1 inches, which is why we have that overhang. So I'm just going to change that back to one direction. You probably didn't even have that problem because you probably didn't do that because you're probably not a knucklehead. So there, so we're good. Good there. Alright, well I just got an email from the instructor clarifying all of the dimensions for all the windows and doors. And they're not what I thought. In my professional life, I used to sell windows and doors, so we always went width and then by height by inches. And apparently in the print, like these windows are 24 by 36. They're actually 2'4" by 3'6", so they're a little different than what I had. So let's go ahead and get those corrected real quick. So first let's section view this off, just so we can see what we're doing here. This should be easy because of how we dimensioned all the windows. So we just have to find the ones we dimensioned and just change the dimensions. It's not a big deal. It's pretty easy. So, okay, so this first cut extrude, we'll just edit this sketch. Alright, so all these two windows are the same, I think. So this is supposed to be not 24, 2 foot 4 inches by 3 foot 6 inches. That one's done. This one is supposed to be, oh, the doors too. Okay, so all the doors, I had the height correct. So you said the doors are supposed to be 78 inches high. So 6 foot 6 inches, that's 78 inches. So that's correct. So we're gonna have to change that. We do have to change the width though. It's not 2 foot 6 inches, which I thought was odd. It's 3 foot. 3 foot 0 inches. So it's 3 foot. This would be 36 inches, which is the standard for a exterior door. They're usually 36 inches, so that makes sense. So now we'll dimension the rest of these here. So now this window is 3 foot by 28 inches, so not 2 foot 6 inches. It's 2 foot 8 inches. And no, it's 3 foot by 2 foot 8 inches. There we go. And these are the sliding doors. These are, this is 6 foot, which is 60 inches, not. Alright. And this next window is 6 foot 8 inches by 5 foot. Okay, so that's a little bigger. It's a big window. Okay, and then this next window is 2 foot by 3 foot. It always goes width and then height. Width and then height always. Rails and styles. Alright, and then, okay, so these two windows are the same. And these are both 2 foot 6 inches by 4 foot. Alright, so we'll just click rebuild. Alright, that's done. So now let's do the ones in the front here. And then we have a door over here we have to cut out. We'll do that. Okay, so this window is supposed to be 2 foot 6 inches by 4 foot 4 inches. I think that's all these windows in the front are the same, so we're good there. And the door is 3 foot, which makes sense, 36 inches, so that looks good. Alright, so that was easy. That's why I kind of make those sketch relations, so in the end, if I have to change something, if there's a lot of the same shapes, I don't have to change each one separately. Alright, so this door that's back here is supposed to come out through the front here. So, what I'll do, let's cheat. Let's just go normal onto this surface. Alright, let's make a sketch here. Let's click this, I don't know if we can click inside, just get the cutout. No? Alright. We'll just go here, 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 click convert entities, and then we'll just draw a line on the bottom to connect them. Alright. Features, extruded cut, we'll go up to surface. And we'll just walk around back to the front here. Just pick this surface. Alright, there's our door. So that's all of our corrections. So now we're all good to go. So on the next video, we will draw our staircase walls here. There's a closet over here. There's a couple walls in the bathroom, a little closet in this room over here. Then we'll do all of our cutouts for our doors and stuff, alright? So this is going to be not part 4, but this is just going to be the corrections for the house body, okay? Hope that helps.